Okay. So now we are going to, yeah, what are the games related to running and which kind of games we can play by running? Cricket, football, and
Basketball.
relay, basketball, relay also. Relay means there is a team of participants in the relay game. So one member have to catch the stick and he have to run. After some time, after some distance, he have to give to the stick to the other person. Then he have to reach the goal. Like this, there are team
Yes,
of players. Relay.
or hockey.
Hockey also, yeah. So today we are
Can
going to
we play
learn.
that game?
Yeah, we already played in the school time. We are going
Yes,
to
sir.
learn the poem "Run." So I'm presenting my screen. Every one of you look at my screen. Run, run, run.
Run.
Say all of you, what is the poem name?
Run. Run.
Run. R-U-N. Run. Yeah, just listen to poem. After that, we can discuss about this poem.
Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country. Run, run, run. Run in the raindrop. Run neath the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside. Run up the lane. Run through the meadow. Then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country. Away, away. Away from the city.
So in this poem, the poet is saying about the difference between the city and a village, a city side and the countryside. There is no space in the cities to run. It means there is no enough space in the cities to play outdoor games. But in the village, we have a lot of space to play. So the children are running away from the city. They are running away from the city to the countryside. It means they are running to the village side, away from the city. Away means distance from the city and into the sun.
And into the sun. Out to the country. Run, run, run.
Yeah, away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. The poet is saying you should move from the city, you should go to the village, and you can enjoy in the sunshine. You know what are the benefits of running, or what we can get if you run fast? There are the benefit is if you run fast, physically you become strong, and the breathe out automatically increases and heartbeat can increase, and physically and mentally we become healthy because the sweat will come out. When you run fast, the sweat will automatically come outside. So then we become strong and healthy. There is no space in the cities to run. It means there is a place, congested place in cities, but we have open areas in villages. So the poet is saying, move from the city, away from the city, and into the sun, out to the country. We should move to the country. The poet is saying, and the children also running to the countryside.
Run in the raindrop. Run neath the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Races run neath the trees.
In here, second stanza, run in the raindrops. The poet is saying that run in the raindrops. You should enjoy the rain, not only sunshine, you should enjoy the rain. Now continually raining in our areas. Run in the raindrops, my dear children, run in the raindrops. And
Sir, we are writing this.
Run neath the trees.
run near the trees. Run near the trees, it means beneath the trees, under the trees. You should play and you should run. See, the children are playing here. They are they kept one cloth. They what we call this game? Blindfolding. So they folded one girl with a ribbon.
What's the game name?
Blindfolding. Yeah.
Okay,
So they
sir.
are playing under a tree. So the poet is saying, run in the raindrops and run beneath the trees. Beneath the trees means under the trees. And run little races with each little breeze. Little races means running race competition. You can also participate in that. In school days, you may have participated in that. A little breeze means a small wind will come. While you are running, automatically will get air.
Run little races with each little breeze.
See, they are participated means they enjoying by running. It is a small race among them. So the poet is saying that in first stanza, the poet said about move from the city and go to the countryside. Countryside means village side, and you can run. In second stanza, poet is saying that you should run in the raindrops, and it means you should enjoy in the rain. At the same time, run and play beneath the trees means under the trees, and participate in the little races and enjoy. Run.
Run down the hillside. Run up the lane. Run through the meadow.
Sir, page number 39.
What is the problem with you, Pravalika? Just wait. It's a page number 38. Just you can follow my screen. After that, you can follow your textbook. Don't interrupt while explaining, okay? You can see my screen first. After that, you can follow your textbook. Yeah. So please, it's my kind request to everyone. Don't disturb while explaining.
Run up.
Run down the hillside. Hillside means the side of the hill. Where are the hills? Mostly in village. We can see the small hills. You cannot see in the cities. You can run down the hillside and you can enjoy there. And run up the lane. Lane means a narrow road, small road we can see. Two sides we can see green color grass and there is small road. So run up the lane. You can run in that place also. You can also enjoy in that place. Lane, narrow road.
Run up the lane. Run through the meadow.
Run through the meadow. Meadow means where the animals can eat grass. Where animals can graze. Graze means eating grass. The place is called meadow. See, around the children, there's a grass here. Okay. So run through the meadow, then run back again. After running in that, you can come back. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, run back again.
Then run back again. Run and be merry. All through the day. Run to the country. away, away. Through the day, run and be merry.
You should run and you should enjoy. Merry means just enjoy, cheerful. You should run and you can enjoy. All through the day means if you run in the morning time, all the day you become happy by enjoying your life easily. So run and cheerful your day. Run to the country, away, away. It means you should go to the villages. You should go village side and you can enjoy by running, by playing different kinds of games.
All through the day, run to the country. Away, away. Gulp, cognitive.
So it's a small poem explaining about the advantages of running, where we have to run, how to run. So it's a small poem explained by the poet Mary Dant. The poet name is Mary Dant. Okay, yeah. So yeah, now every one of you read this poem one by one. I can present my screen. If you have the textbook, directly you can read. Otherwise, you can see my screen and you can read. Okay. Respond to me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. First, I can read it clearly. After that, you can go one by one. Run away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country. Run, run, run. Run in the raindrops. Run beneath the trees. Actually, they gave neath, apostrophe neath. It means beneath the trees. You can see here. You may not find out. Just I can, yeah. Here they give neath. It's not neath, actually beneath the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside. Run up the lane. Run through the meadow. Run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Yeah, every one of you listen to me clearly. After that, you can read once. Away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country, run, run, run. It's the first stanza. Second stanza. Run in the raindrops. Run beneath the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside. Run up the lane. Run through the meadow. Then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Okay, now I can call randomly few people, they have to read. Yeah, so first of all, Managna, I can read it.
Away from the city and into the sun. Out of the country. Run, run, run. Run in the raindrops. Run beneath the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside. Run up the lane. Run through the meadow. Then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Sir, completed.
Ashira,
What's it?
are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read this poem. Yeah, read it clearly.
Sir, which one?
Read the poem, Nana. I'm presenting my screen here.
Second one.
Read first, second, third, fourth. Four stanzas completely.
Okay, sir.
Total 4 stanzas.
Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little race, which each little beast. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through me
Run
down,
through the meadow.
then run back again. Run and be merry, merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Next. Karthik.
Sir,
Yeah, you can read it.
away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little bridge. Run down the hillside, run up the land, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry, and all through the day, run to the country, away, away.
Very good, Karthik. Next. Shauteja.
Away from the sea and into the sun, out of the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run near the trees, run little races with each little bridge. Run down the hillside, run up the lake, run through the meadow and run back again. Run and be merry and all through the day, run to the country, away, away.
Okay, next. Sahiti, can you read?
Yes, sir. Away
Okay.
from the sea and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away.
Very good. Next. Pravalika, can you read? Run, run, run. Okay, any one of you, if you want to read, you can read. Otherwise, we can go to next activity.
Sir,
Sir,
the sun, out to the sea, run, run, run. Run in the raindrop, run between the
Pranay, say loudly. Your voice is not clear. Don't interrupt him.
away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrop, run in then run back again. Run and be merry through the day. Run to country, away, away.
Okay. Next, Avinash. Avinash Gaud.
Sir,
Yeah, read it. Srimai.
sir.
You can read it.
Away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane. Run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away.
Very nice, Remind. Next. I think finish all. Next, Ishant. Ishant.
Sir,
Yeah, you can read it.
run from the country into the sun.
Away from the city and into the sun. Look at your
Away
textbook and
from the
you
city, run, run, run. Run into raindrops.
run beneath the
Run,
trees.
run near the trees. Run
Not,
little
not near, beneath the trees.
near the trees. Run, run little trees. By each little breeze. Run down, run down the
Hillside.
hillside. Run up the land. Land. Rain.
Run through the meadow. Next, Tanmay. Tanmay.
Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, 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 run in the raindrops, run, run, down the hillside, run up the hill, run, the meadow, then run back again, run and be merry
All through the day.
all day. Run, run to the country, away, away, away.
Okay, Nana. Yeah. So every one of you just open page number 40. Every one of you just open page number 40.
Yes, sir, I opened.
Here, let's spell. Every one of you focus there and let's spell. We have to add EA or EE in the missing one. You may know these missing letters. So just we have to add that. What we have to add here? Let's spell. Page number 40. There is a bit.
EA.
Yes, we should add double E or EA. EE or EA we have to add. So we have to guess which word may be it. Yeah, if you see the word, the first one, TR dash dash ES. Those words are related to this poem only. So we have to guess the word related to the poem. TR dash dash ES. What may be?
Trees.
Trees. Very good. So you can write E and E you can write in the missing one. E and E. The first one. Trees. It's a very easy task.
Please.
Just wait now.
Please.
Wait. We can go one by one. Okay. First one, trees. Have you written all? Second one. Please. P-L.
Please.
E-A-S-C. So we should add here E-A. Okay. Second one, E, A. You can add in the second one. Please. Please. Next, third one.
Tease.
Tease. T-E-A. Tease. So third one, every one of you just write down T-E-A-S-E. Teasing. Tease. Next, fourth one.
Sir, the three same word. First one is only different.
Just, is it visible to you or not? Okay, just every one of you focus. What is the last word here in the first? Teach. Teach. Can you say the spelling? Okay. So you can add here E A. Teach. T-E-A-C-H. T-E-A-C-H. That's why I said you to follow me. You're going fast and some of you are slow. Just every one of you write down trees. T-R-E-E-S. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E. And tease. T. This two also E-A. This three also E-A. Only first one is double E. Remain all three E-A only. Tease. Please. Teach. Okay. Yeah. One side is completed now. Can we go to next side?
Yes, sir, we can go to next.
Yes, sir, we can go.
Yeah. So you can see here sleep. So double E. Sleep, deep, feet, meet. Just simply you can write E in all. Sleep, S-L-E-E-P. Beep, P-double-E-P. F-E-E-T, feet, M-E-E-T, meet. All same. The same.
Sir, it's complete.
Very good, very good.
Sir, my work is completed.
Very good, very good. So
Work is completed.
now we can go to the next. Same, now we have to write.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
we can go.
Okay, listen to me. Now we have to write more EE words and EA words in the next page number. In the next page number, we have to write more EE words and EA words. Yeah, can anyone say?
Sir, may I?
Say EE word. Anyone?
Sleep.
Don't say the same words. Don't say the same word. You have to say different words. Okay, anyway, you can add
Breeze.
breeze. Yeah, B-R-E-E-Z-E. Very good. Yeah, so we can write here
Sir, seed.
E-E-Z-E.
Sir, seed.
Sir, S-H-E-E-P, sheep.
Sir,
Seed.
seed. S-E-E-D.
Seed. Next, only one word. Only one word.
Sir, B. Sir, B. Sir, B.
Mute your audio. Just mute your audio. Yeah. Write these three words. One is breeze, seed, and bee. Breeze, seed, bee. And E word.
F-E-A-R-C-S.
Sir, peacock. P-E-A-S.
For example, if you have written these E words, we can go to next. Have you written all?
Sir, F-E-A-R-C-S.
Wrote. Yes.
All.
Okay, yes, I'm writing here. R-E-A-D. Read. See, what you want, you can write. No issue. What you want, you can write. Read.
P-E.
Okay, when just mute your audio. Me, what you want to write, you can write in your textbook. I'm getting disturbance from you, Nana. Just mute your audio. Yeah. Read. Bread.
Peacock.
Whatever it is, you can write. Whatever
Sir,
that, you can write. Read. Bread. Head. Read. Bread. Head. Sorry, head.
Sir, my work is completed.
Yeah.
Sir, my work is completed.
Sir,
Yeah,
my
have-
work is completed.
So we done this. EE and EA words.
Sir, I did not, sir.
You can write later. Okay. Think about this EE words and EA words. You can write your own. Every one of you just focus here. It's a just activity. No, need not to write. Say the words aloud one by one. You have to say and follow the instruction and move your body accordingly. Okay. First, I can say just you have to do the activity. Yeah, shoulders. Shoulders. You have to move them up and down. I cannot see, but you can do it. So when I say shoulders, you have to do up and down. Shoulders. Feet. Walk forward and walk backward. Forward, backward. It may not happen to you. It may not possible to you also. Just it's an activity. Actually, it is a classroom activity. Now it's not possible to us. Run. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Hands. Move them left and right. Left and right. It's an activity we have to do in the class. Anyway, need not to do now. Yeah. Jump, hop, march, tip, toe. These are the just activity we have to do in the classroom. Now I can ask you a few questions to you. You have to answer me. That the first question I have asked you already. Do you like to play, run, about, why? In the page number 40, we can go back. You can go back to page number 40. No, we can go to next page. After that, we can come back to 40. Yeah, first of all, you can open page number 42 and 43. What is happening in that, we have to observe now. Did you open page number 42?
Yes, sir, we open.
We open.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I cannot open at a time 2 pages, so I am opening this only page number 42. Here, we have to answer the questions by looking the pictures in page number 43. How many pictures are there in page number 43?
6.
Yes, everyone of you
6
observe the
pictures.
Yes, everyone of you mute your audio. Observe the picture once, all 6 pictures. Okay, so did you observe all pictures?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We observe.
Yeah, so now I can give you homework. You can follow me that. Example here, what is happening in picture 5? Who are there and what is happening in picture 5? The girl is dying. Just she's jumping into the water. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The girl is diving into the water. This just we have observed in the picture and we have written here. Same thing, you have to write answers according to the picture. What is happening in the picture, you have to write here. Next question. What is Mohan practicing in picture 4?
He is practicing the high jump.
Very good. Yes, he is practicing high jump. That you have to write. Okay, just we can discuss now. You can write later. Next, in picture 3.
That is the homework.
Yeah, this is the homework for you. I can send in Google Classroom also. I can send you
Okay.
Google Classroom also. Don't worry. Yes,
Sir, say 1 second homework.
I can send in Google Classroom. Don't worry. Yeah. Just now you can observe the picture 3. Every one of you observe the picture 3.
Sir, pulling.
Yeah.
Rope pulling.
Yes.
Shivateja and his friends are pulling the air roll.
Just wait, Nana. Just wait. What are Anil and his friends pulling in page number? Picture number 3.
What,
What they
sir?
are pulling?
Sir,
What they are doing?
pulling. 2 teams pulling.
Yes, rope pulling. Last year we played also. Last year we played this game. Rope pulling. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In picture 3, they are pulling the rope.
Okay, sir.
Next. Now you can observe the picture 2. Observe the picture 2. What they are doing in picture 2.
The two boats.
Miscellaneous boats.
Boat race. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Racing in the rail.
Yeah, it's a boat.
Boats are racing.
The boats are racing in the water. The boats
Yes,
are
sir.
racing in the water. Second picture. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So now coming to that. Number 1, first picture. What is
Running
happening?
race.
Yes, very good.
Running race. They are
Boys running, racing a running race.
Yes. In picture 1, the boys are running race. The boys are running in a race. Okay, it's a picture 1. Next, last one. What is happening in picture 6?
They are swimming.
They are swimming.
They are
Swimming. It's a combination of swimming.
Yes, they are swimming. Where they are swimming?
Water, in water.
In
Yeah.
water.
Water or swimming pool.
In the water.
Yeah. So
In
these
the waters.
don't shout, Nana. Don't shout. Say answers. Okay. Every one of you just you have to do that. Answer these in your textbook. What they are doing in the picture, you have to answer in the textbook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. This is the homework for you. I will send in the Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you all. I will send in the Google Classroom and complete your homework and send in the Google Classroom only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't delay in your homework. Just send in the Google Classroom.
Sir, I send morning homework in Google Classroom.
Yeah. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir.